Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to give a refund on Vinted in 2026. Now, if a buyer had an issue with an item and you want to return their money the correct way, Vinted makes it simple, but only if you follow the proper steps. So first of all, you need to open your web browser. Over here in the search bar, you need to simply search for vinted.com. Over here, when you are on Vinted, simply just log in into your account if you haven't already. Over here, you will see this message icon. So when you click on it, you will be redirected here in the inbox or in the messages section. So here you need to open the conversation for the sold item where the buyer reported a problem. Inside the order page, you will see an option like resolve this issue or refund the buyer. So you just have to click on that particular option. Now you need to choose the option of refund. Vinted is going to ask you to confirm whether the buyer is returning the item or keeping it. So you need to select the option based on what you both agreed on. Then you just have to simply confirm the refund. So once confirmed, Vinted automatically going to send the money back to the buyer using their original payment method. You don't need to transfer anything manually because Vinted is going to handle it all safely. So if the buyer is returning the item first, the refund usually completes after tracking shows the item delivered back to you. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.